Hi, I'm Jamie Yasko-Mangum with Successful Style and Image. Today on Expert Village, we're going to talk about the elements of clothing. Bet you didn't know there were elements of clothing, but there are. There is the cut, the color, the fabric, the pattern, and design. All those make up the elements of clothing. Let's start with the fabric. How many of you actually pull out when you're looking at clothes and look at the fabric? How many of you do that? Probably not many of you. But that's going to help you create your style. That's going to help get you out of those sweats all the time and the t-shirts. Right now I'm going to let you know that with the elements of clothing, you're a mom, the majority of your clothes should not be dominated with 100% casual cotton. You know the casual cotton I'm talking about, those ones in t-shirts that might have something written all over it. That's casual cotton. There is 100% great cotton, that's merino cotton or puma cotton. That is wonderful type of cotton. Now there you can have a lot of cotton, but fabric is very important. You need to be very diverse in your fabric. Some polyester blends, polyester spandex, acrylic blends, rayon blends. If you like cotton, you'll love rayon, and rayon is a little bit more sophisticated. Do rayon blends. Get some nylon in there with some spandex. Fabric is very important, and when you put in the spandex, you put in the nylon, you put in the jersey, hey, that's your comfort fabric. That will let you stretch. That will keep you comfortable just like those sweats. Then we have color. Look at this vibrant orange color. You need to have color in your wardrobe and make sure the color agrees with you. What you need to do is put the color up to your face. If you see some rosiness to your face, you've got a great color. If it washes you out, not a great color. Look at the design and pattern. Look at this beautiful embellishment. Absolutely great. Wonderful. You need to make sure, now it's okay, it's all right to have solids, but you need to also be diverse with the design. You need to be diverse with the pattern. Last is the cut. The cut is what's going to look good on you. Now remember, you need to be updated with your look, but you don't need to be dominated by the trend, because what may be trendy may not look trendy on you. You need to make sure that it balances your silhouette. So when you look at the cut, make sure the cut is age appropriate. If you're 50, 60 years old, you don't need to be wearing something that somebody's 20. If you're 20 years old, you don't need to date yourself and wear something that is too old for you. Age appropriate clothing. Those four: cut, fabric, design, and color. Those are the elements of clothing. Thank you.